Good morning. So today we're doing the WordCloud directions. I am starting on the directions page. How did I get here? I got here from Unit 0, Slide 7. This is going to be our day 2 after we do our Good Morning Whole Class activity. We will be ready for you to watch this video, and the video will be there. And you'll also find it on the agenda. So that's where we're at. Here's the directions. You should make a copy of this. That way you can write everything that you have pop into your head. And here's my example on the left hand column. You can use some of these if they are true for you. You want to come up with 15 to 20 descriptors, which if you look at mine, you can kind of get an idea of how did I get 15 to 20 descriptors. Why am I typing these things? Why can't I just go to the website? Because if I go straight to the website and I do this and I run out of time, it will not remember what you wrote. Okay? So it's much, much easier if you start here on this page and typing what you can think of right now. So then you come here, click on, and I'm using the classic one. There's a newer one, but the classic one is just a little more logical to me. You want to use the other one? Go right ahead. So it's going to draw this imaginary made up Latin word thing. Okay. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to use my words because they're my words. Now highlight my words. Copy. I'm going to the wizard. Very last button. I want to type or paste. I'm going to paste my text. I'm going to hit the apply button. Okay, it's going to tell you all the things I'm going to go through, so you can either read what it's going to tell you or you can listen to me. Okay, it picked a random thing. It says that it got all my words. How do I know it's got all my words? Because it says 0 words are missing. Do I like these colors? Do I like the shape? Well, for one thing, I don't see a shape, right? So I'm going to go to shape. What shape did it give me? It was the shape of Africa. Okay. Maybe I like the kitty cat picture. It don't look much like a kitty cat. I can use it. I can change it. Maybe I want something else. Maybe I want a star. That worked even less. So go through, decide what you want. Do you want a theme? Those are color themes done for you, like blue. Or you can go through and pick individual colors and change individual colors. Okay, once I'm at this point, what do I do? So I basically went through this wizard, type or paste, paste text. This one tells you what to do if it says 8 words not shown. Like double check. Okay, so if it said words not shown, I would go back until it says 0 words not shown. Okay. Let's see. If your name does not stand out, tips make sure your name stands out. If not, put your name. So we're going to copy this into the last thing. So what happens when I have this done? There's one last thing. I'm going to add it to the specific class, which I don't have all 3 classes here, but this is last year's classes. I would click on last year's classes and I can file, come down to save as image. Got it? Not as PDF, not as Facebook, not as high definition. The very first, save as image, the JPEG, WordCloud. That's fine. Hit save. Yes, save to my drive. That is fine. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to come over here. Not there. Back to here. And in this case, I would find a blank slide in theory. I may have erased blank slides. I'm trying to get this to cooperate. And I will have yours updated with some examples. Yeah, this has no blank slides. So I would have blank slide and I would do this. As you can see, I made mine very obvious here, and I can show you how to do that. But like this one, couldn't figure out who it was. Maybe they emailed me later. I don't know. Other than they said they were a ginger. Maybe I figured it out. This person did a great job with name with all their descriptors, but then I had to really look for who it was. So if that was you, I would suggest putting your name down here, or you could come in and in a text box put your name in the text box. So those are two things. If you find working with the word clouds just a little too much, that's okay. How would I work with this and put my name bigger? I come here, I make this number bigger. I want Bab to be big. If I want science to be big, hit apply. Now I've got science and Bab bigger. So I can play with it till I get it to where I want it. And then, so this should be enough to get you going. And then if you have any problems, that's when you go ahead and talk to me in class. Okay? I will talk to you soon.